Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 2. We're doing greatest common factors. So the greatest common factors is two or more numbers that have the common factors in the greatest of the numbers. So if we look here, it says Surveil Middle School arranges their sports trophies in rows in a display case. There is an equal number of trophies in each row. Each row only has one kind of trophy. What is the greatest possible number of trophies in each row? So example 1 is going to be the prime factorization method. And this is where we are going to look at the prime numbers. And at the very beginning of the year, we have the prime and compositions chart. This is for my class only. So you will be needing this chart to help you with finding the prime numbers. So we have 40. That's going to be split up into 4 times 10. And then 4 is 2 times 2. 2's are prime. And then we have 10 can be split up with 2 times 5. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 are all prime numbers, and if you multiply those together, we get 40. Next, we have 24. They split it up 4 times 6. 4 can be split up by 2 times 2, and 6 can be split up by 2 times 3. Now if you take a look at 32, we have 4. That's going to be times 8. 4 split up in 2 times 2. 8 can be split up by 2 times 4. Now 2 is prime, so I'm just going to drop my 2 here. Same with the 2's on the left side. 4 can be split up with 2 times 2. So we look at what we have in common. I notice each one has 3 2's. So this is going to be my greatest common factor. So I have 2 times 2 times 2. Or it's going to be 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So the greatest number of trophies that can be placed in each row is 8. Now here's example 2, which is a different method. It says, make an organized list of the factors for each number, then circle the common factors. So for 60, 1 times 60 is 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, 5 times 12, and 6 times 10. For 54, we have 1 times 54, 2 times 27, 3 times 18, and 6 times 9. So the common factors we have are, let me see. So I know both numbers have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I don't believe, yeah, the ones don't count. So we have 6. And those are our common factors. So I'm going to go, so 1's are always going to be common in everything, so we don't have to put that. So our common factors are 2's, 3's, and 6. Okay, I misread. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 6. So disregard what I said about the 1s. The 1s still count. So the greatest common factor for 60 and 54, so my greatest number here is 6. So those are the two methods. We did review the factors, just in the Am I Ready page, or Are You Ready page. So go ahead and try the guided practice. So I'm going to find the factors of 8. So we have 1 times 8, and then 2 times 4. For 32, I have 1 times 32, 2 times 16, and 4 times 8. So the common factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So the greatest common factor is going to be 8. So for 3, we have 1 and 3. 12, we have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. 18, we have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, and 3 times 6. So common factors we have this one, each one has 1 and 3. So the greatest common factor of 3, 12, and 18 is going to be 3. And that's the end of the video, so thank you for watching.